What's up, gents? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be, how you say it in English? Sanding down the car, prepping it for spray. So yeah, we're gonna attempt to spray the car ourselves. So yeah, we'll see how that works out for us. It's gonna be the first time we do it such. So yeah, in today's video, we're just gonna be sanding down the car.
What you say, Jen? Yeah, I got that.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jen.
So yeah, we wanna do everything ourselves on the car. We have all the equipment and stuff to spray the car. So we thought, why not attempt? So we're gonna start with the engine bay first. Attempt to spray the engine bay first. If we catch on nonsense by the engine bay, then we'll end up taking it to a professional. But for now, just gonna prep the car for the spray job. And yeah, join us on this journey. Let's jump right into this video.
What? You must start everyone and start. So weird.
You take this one.
Huh?
Where do you get this one? Yeah, gents, we don't have fancy equipment. We're using our hands. Huh?
What can you do?
What's up, gents? Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, today we're gonna be putting on the grill. As you can see here behind me is busy skiing.
Jen.
So yeah, we're gonna be doing that today. And what else?
Further one.
Yeah, we're gonna take one shock out and put another one in. Back window. We're gonna also try for the back window in today. There's the back window and the two front windows. We still need to get two front doors. Then we're gonna do the... And that's about it, nah? Yeah. So yeah, stay tuned, gents. So yeah, gents, as you can see, tires already finished taking off the old paint on the grill. As it was painted on, we didn't like it the way it looked painted on. So we decided to scare it off and spray paint it over. So yeah, gents, this is that process. Don't spray so much. Just spraying down and then you will start second coating this in it.
So we just finished up with the grill. Now it's time to move on to the back window, installation of the back window. So yeah, here you're gonna see the process of us installing the back window. Gave us a bit of a hassle, but yeah, we managed to get it on, and you gents will see that shortly. So here now, I'm just gonna be taking a lap, wiping off that dust and debris off of the rim where the rubber needs to be placed. So yeah, just cleaning it up nicely. We don't want dust under the rubber and stuff. And yeah, when the glass comes, I'll explain a little story about the glass, gents. As you gents can see here, we have the old model back glass. We installed this in the meantime just to close the car. We wanted the newest spec glass, the one with the hole in the middle so the wiper thing can come through. We ended up changing it. We ended up getting it and then changing the back glass, the one that you see in the video. We changed it, but we didn't film that process.
As you can see, we just finished installing the window. Fitting nicely. This is not the window that needs to come here on. As you know, or as you've seen in previous videos, we have a motor, so this piece needs to come through the window glass. So we know where to get the windscreen, the back window, what that piece that is open here for the motor to come out. But yeah, this is just for now till we get that one, just to cover up the car. As you know, we wanna cover up the car. We're working on getting 2 front doors. We have back doors. We need a window for here, glass for here, and then yeah, the doors we're gonna get for the front are gonna be complete. And yeah, gents, as you can see, we're making nice progress. We're making nice progress, as you can see. Car is coming together. It's looking like a car now. As you can see also, the sanding that we did. But yeah, we're getting there. So we might spray the car end of this month, hopefully. Yeah, let us move on now to the gear. As you can see, they already put that thing there. We're working, gents, we're working. See ya, gents. That is just putting on the grill. This is a continuation from yesterday. Yesterday we never managed to get that thing on. We're struggling with the screw to put in there. But yeah, eventually we'll get a screw and connect that thing. It's not a train smash. But yeah, today there is busy fitting on the bump, the grill, as you can see.
We don't have it mindset to say no.
As you can see, it's pretty silver. The lining, it's looking good so far.
So yeah, gents, that's about it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, comment and subscribe down below. We'll catch you gents in the next one. Danko.